Printing in Excel allows you to convert your worksheet into a physical or digital document. Now, when you are printing with a printer connected to your system, it comes out as a physical document. And when you are printing without a printer connected to your system, it saves as a PDF file. Now, before printing, it is important to ensure that your worksheet is properly arranged and readable. Here are steps to print out a worksheet. First, you click on the File tab, then select Print. A preview of your worksheet will appear, then you choose your printer and then print. Now, you can also adjust your print settings. You can click on Orientation to make your worksheet into a portrait shape or landscape. You can adjust margins and scalings as well. Now, when you're printing, there's a little tiny thing you need to know about Excel. Excel displays light grid lines on the screen, but these grid lines do not appear when printed. So, to ensure that your data has visible lines when printed, you must apply borders. Now, to select these borders, you have to select the range of cells containing your data, go to the Home tab, then you have to click on the border icon and select all borders. This would apply visible lines around each cell, ensuring that your table structure is clear when printed.